James Akers here, the tie guy. Today we're going to be tying a beautiful Louis Vuitton silverish gray tie. I'll be doing a review here in just a second. I have a couple of their ties and obviously very high-end brand. Their ties, I would say, are average quality compared to the other luxury manufacturers, but they do carry a great brand. And the design and the look of them are really, really nice. They obviously they're great fashion designers. So love the look of the ties that I have. As far as a review, first I'll describe the tie, then we'll do a review. But it's really a gray, almost a silver. I would consider it's almost a silver diagonal with a gray stripe, with a little bit of white, and then it has some little blue with their little symbols, their little logos. So that's the same color blue that's in this shirt. So that's why I'm pairing it with this shirt here today. It's pretty close color blue, so it should pull that out. As far as the tie itself goes, nice silk, very thin tie. This is about the same thickness as a Ferragamo, maybe a tiny bit thicker. It is silk, it's a very good quality tie. I have nothing negative to say about it. I do think they focus more on the design, more so than the quality of the product. That's how a lot of the major manufacturers are. I know Gucci does that some. I've got some Gucci shoes that look amazing, but when you wear them for a while, your feet hurt. Sometimes that's just kind of the price, so to speak, you pay for that look. But the look is absolutely beautiful. I'm really looking forward to tying this up. So let's do that. Let's see how it comes together. We're pairing it with a light blue shirt that almost matches the color of blue that's in here. Since this is a thinner tie, we don't have to go super long on our spot. I'm going to start right here, and we'll see how that comes together. So we start with the long part of the tie. We take it over top, underneath, up and through. Then we come around behind, up, over, and back down through. This is the checkpoint. We'll make sure our triangles coming together nice. We'll come out and across the front, up behind, and through. And now we put it down through a little pocket we've just created. And we're going to turn the tie just a little bit, hold the knot and pull on this to adjust it. Tighten up that knot. I will say this, okay, all the comments I made earlier, I'm taking back some of those simply because this tie tied really nice. Really, really nice. I'm very impressed with how well it tied. It ties a super tight knot. Look how nice that knot came together there. Let's check the length of this, see if I need to retie it or not. We want the tip of the tie to come between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle. Looks like I am right over the top of the belt buckle, so that's absolutely just fine. I can always tighten up a little bit here. So let's pull the collar down. Wow, that came together nice. Okay, Louis Vuitton, you made a great product. They did a good job with this because it looks really nice. I do love the look of a Louis Vuitton, but I tell you what, this tie just as good as a Kiton or a Ferragamo or a Zegna or some of the really high-end Italian brands. This tie just as good. So pretty impressed with it. So let's put this together. Let's go start scrolling across the bottom of your screen, and I'll go over it with you here. So we're wearing a navy blue Zegna suit, a Mernagildo Zegna. We're pairing that with a light blue Brooks Brothers shirt. It does have French cuffs, so we're using, these are actually Zegna cufflinks, or Mernagildo Zegna cufflinks. On my Instagram there'll be close-ups. So navy blue suit, light blue shirt. We have a gray to a silver Louis Vuitton tie, which is absolutely tied perfectly. We're pairing that with a dressy dark brown Salvatore Ferragamo belt with a gold belt buckle and a brown pair of Bally Oxfords. If you go to my Instagram, Tie Guy James Akers, you'll see close-ups of everything. Close-ups of the cufflinks, the belt with the shoes, the knot, selfies of me wearing it and everything else. So go to my Instagram, Tie Guy James Akers. Please click subscribe and like if you enjoy these videos, and I am ready for work.